Hello guys, this is Tech Pro. We're going to build a gaming PC which costs $550, which can run any game at 60 FPS at max out settings. Let's get started. Next, move on to the CPU. We're using an Intel Core i3 6100. The i3 is very strong in single thread processor. It's gone for gaming, a fantastic choice for the low end system. Next, move on to the cooler. We're using stock cooler which comes free with the CPU. It's just fine to keep it cool, but the job is done. Next, move on to the RAM. We're using G-Skills 8GB RAM. I know 4GB is enough for gaming, but more 4GB to run your plenty app to run in the background. In short. Next, move on to the motherboard. We're using Asus H100M. It has advanced hardware and DDR4 capability, Epic Audio, etc. Next, move on to the graphics card. We're using GTR 1050 Ti, best option for 1080p gaming build at the price tag. It can run any game at 60 FPS at smooth out settings. Next, move on to the hard disk. We're using Western Digital 1TB hard disk. It's a good performance hard disk, but the most important thing, it has 2 years of warranty. Next, move on to the case. We're using Corsair series case, enough for any PC build. It has SSD support, which is good for PC. Next, move on to the power supply. We're using Rosewell Capstone G series 550 watt power supply and enough for PC, etc. You can check all the links in the description. Please check out my video. Thanks for watching my video. Peace out guys.